Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the SOL token went public in 2020. Solana, SOL, rallies to become sixth largest cryptocurrency. Here's why. Solana, SOL, the native token on the popular proof-of-stake (POS) blockchain, became the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization following a stellar rally over the past week. The token jumped 2 spots in the list on Thursday, overtaking Ripple, XRP, and Cardano, ADA, while also avoiding broader weakness in the crypto market. SOL jumped nearly 17% over the past 7 days, and was last trading around $120, its highest level since late November. The token also rose 0.4% in the past 24 hours, while the broader crypto market fell around 5%. The token surged through the second half of March, recovering sharply from a 7-month low hit in the middle of the month. It had earlier this week overtaken Terra, Luna, to take the No. 8 spot in the top 10 cryptocurrencies. SOL sees bullish indicators as mid-March. The price of Terra's native cryptocurrency at press time was $99.65, which is a 10% increase from 7 days before when it traded at $89.5. In general, the token looks to be following a general upward trend, as its price just 1 month prior was at $56.9, according to the CoinMarketCap data. The second news, Bitcoin held by crypto miners reaches 10-year low. What does it mean? As the cryptocurrency world evolves and develops, it seems that the role of miners is becoming progressively diminished in the process. An argument in favor of this is the fact that the amount of Bitcoin, BTC, held by crypto miners has recently hit its 10-year low. Indeed, miners' Bitcoin holdings have dropped to their lowest level since 2010, standing at a total of 1.95 million BTC owned by the entire miner community, as tweeted by the crypto market research platform INAMS, and liked by more than 20,000 crypto enthusiasts. OpenSea to give Magic Eden a run for its money when the integration happens. Solana will become the 4th network to have its NFTs traded on OpenSea. Currently, Polygon, Ethereum, and Platin are the only blockchains whose NFTs are trading on OpenSea. The biggest marketplace for Solana NFTs is Magic Eden. It remains to be seen whether its 2% transaction fee, which is 50 basis points lower than OpenSea's, will keep users on Magic Eden. Solana's inclusion into the OpenSea platform could help OpenSea regain its dominance of the NFT market, which was being eroded by a new entrant, LooksRare. Since its inception, LooksRare has registered over 55,000 new users and recorded over $21 billion in trading volume. In comparison, OpenSea recorded just over $12 billion in trading volume over the same period, despite registering more new users than LooksRare. There was potential for players to participate, both in shaping communities, but also in the value that they create through play. We just saw that there was a huge opportunity there, Topkins told Decrypt. We wanted to be early there, and be some of the first game makers making great games using blockchain tech. BlockTackle is developing SkateX, an NFT-driven skateboarding game that is being built on the Solana blockchain. SkateX will offer up one-of-a-kind skateboards as NFT collectibles, which are owned by players, and can be bought and sold as they please. But it'll also bring NFT owners into the community to help potentially influence the game along the way. Players can have a seat at the table and own an NFT. Solana is also getting attention and broke a record in the process. CoinShares data revealed on Tuesday that institutional investments into cryptocurrencies are at the highest levels in 3 months, a sharp rise from the previous week, which saw outflows of $47 million. The Digital Asset Fund Flows Weekly Report revealed that investment products for digital assets saw total inflows of $193 million last week, a level not seen since early December 2021. The last time investment levels were near the current figure was in the week ending on December 3, which saw $184 million worth of inflows. The fund flows had a big focus on Bitcoin, BTC, with just over 50% of the capital going into products based on BTC, which saw inflows totaling $98 million. Solana, SOL, was runner-up, seeing $87 million inflows for the week, a figure that CoinShares says is the largest single week of inflows on record. SOL-based funds now represent 36% of assets under management with institutional firms, the largest altcoin after Ether. ETH-based funds saw inflows last week totaling just $10.2 million. Europe was the significant contender. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026.